Hey guys, today we're going to be making panko crusted salmon. This is a great way to add some texture to your salmon. Panko is a Japanese styled breadcrumb which is made by lightly baking coarse breadcrumbs to give it that extra crunch. First add 1 cup of panko crumbs, then 2 tablespoons of chopped flat leaf parsley, 1 teaspoon of grated lemon zest, a pinch of kosher salt and about 4 rotations of cracked black pepper. Drizzle 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil. I'm using extra virgin. Give it a good mix, then place aside. With your salmon, you can either go skin on or skin off for this. I'm using skin off. Place your salmon down and season with kosher salt and some cracked black pepper. We're going to be using Dijon mustard as a binder to the panko crumbs. Use about 2 to 3 tablespoons to coat the top of the salmon. You can use a pastry brush to evenly distribute the Dijon mustard across the fillet. Sprinkle the panko across the top of your salmon. Make sure you only use a little bit at a time and then evenly press down over the top with your fingers. Then set your salmon aside. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to a hot pan, and if you're using skin on, skin side down first. Then let the salmon cook for about 3 minutes. Place into a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 8 minutes. This is going to finish the cooking process off. And there you have it, panko crusted salmon. Perfect with a side of veg and a salad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button as this helps me build my community. Take care all.